Okay, hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Acad Systems free online courses. I'm Hakim, and today we are on lesson 9 on Learn Autodesk Revit Architecture. And for today's topic, it will be on creating stairs. So if you haven't checked out the previous lessons we had on creating walls, door, floor, roof, and a lot more, you can check it out in our Acad Systems YouTube channel. Okay, so without further ado, let's go into Revit. Okay, so here I have the model that we have previously created in previous lessons. So today is on stairs. So I would go to the ground floor plan. Okay, and then to create the stairs, the command will be under Architecture tab, and then under Circulation panel, stairs here. Okay, so you can click on it. And then the first step you would do is you choose the type of stairs that you want to have. Okay, so for example, I would take a residential left saddle type. Okay, this is what I have. And then you have to check the base level of your stairs and also the top level of your stairs. So with this, you need to have these levels first before you create your steps. If you don't have a level, basically you can't pick that particular level. Okay, so I'm doing now from ground floor to first floor. That will be 3000 millimeters high. Okay, so it automatically calculate for you the number of rises that is needed in order from ground to reach the top at the first floor level. Okay, so it calculated that we need 18 rises, and this is the thread depth which we can specify, but I'll just leave as it is, 250. Okay, and then for up here we can specify the location line. Currently I just leave it as center with no offset, and then the run width, this will be the width of your stairs. Okay, right now it's set to 1000. And then you will see here we are actually, the highlighted here is run, so we are creating the run, and you can choose either to have a straight stairs, spiral stairs, or a shape winder type of stairs. Okay, then make sure it's selected. Currently I will show you how to create the straight stairs. So what you have to do, just bring your cursor to your drawing space, click, and bring into the direction that you want the stairs to be. And you will see that as you go, they will show 18. Right now is 16 rises created, 2 remaining. So you have to make sure it's fully created. So just bring your cursor in that direction until there is 0 remaining. Okay, then click, and then you can click finish. Okay, so let's check it out in 3D view. Right, so there I have the stairs. So it also automatically comes with the railing. Okay, but this railing, it acts like a separate model, so you can delete, which I will delete for this purpose of showing it to you guys. Okay, so now we get the stairs. It's pretty easy, right? So once again, I'll go to my ground floor, because if you look at our reference image here, the stairs has 2 flights. Okay, first it will go up, and then it will have a landing, and then it goes to the right, another flight of stairs. So how can we do that? Okay, So from our building here, from our ground floor plan, again, I will go to Architecture tab, click on the stairs command. Okay, make sure we have chosen the appropriate stairs, and also ground floor to first floor. The width, I will leave it as 1000, but the run location line here, I will run left, because just now we did run center. As that means if I were to create that stairs, you look, the location line is at center. But since we want these stairs to be flush with the wall, it's easier to take left. So when I will create that stairs, I can pick the line, the wall lines as the guide, right? Okay. So the rest is run and straight here, and we can start drawing it. So just click. Okay. So in total there will be 18 flight of stairs. So maybe somewhere in the middle, maybe 10 rises. I will click. Okay. And then that will stop that stairs from the first riser to the 10th riser. And then I can again bring my cursor here and click again to continue. Okay, continue till finish. So that will automatically create a landing for us. And then from here, you can kind of adjust the number of steps in each flight. Okay, so you can actually drag this arrow, okay, to shorten it in this part. That will add to the other flight. Okay, so now 12 to 18 is here, because previously it's 11 till 18, but I want it to stop somewhere along this line. So I use this arrow to shorten it, and one riser will go to this other flight of stairs. Okay. And then you can just click finish. And let's review our stairs in the 3D model. I will delete the demo stairs. Okay, so obviously it's inside our house. So what I can do is I will look for section box. Okay, turn on the section box from the properties, and then you can cut your building and take a look at your stairs. So right now, my floor doesn't have an opening. We have to modify this floor to see the stairs underneath. So what I can do is I select the floor and click edit boundary. And then from the view cube, I click on top so I can see it from the top view. And then I will just adjust the lines of our floor boundary. Okay, currently it follows along the perimeter of this house, but now I have to draw an opening here. So let's go around this house. Okay. And then I will use TR, trim extend, to trim our lines and make sure it's in one closed loop. Okay, so we have the outer boundary along the perimeter of our house, and I create another boundary internally, and this will create an opening in our floor. Okay, then that's it. Then we can see our stairs. If you want to check it out more clearly, you can select the stairs and the railing as well. And you can also click up here. There's a selection box under your modify tab. The small icon here is selection box. So click there. It will zoom in automatically for you at the area of interest. Okay, and then what you can do, I think we don't need this part of the railing, the left side, so I can click on it and delete. Okay. So that will be the end result of our steps. So I hope you have learned something valuable here on how to create stairs in Revit. Okay, thank you very much for joining me. Okay, I will see you in our next lesson. Thank you very much for joining. Bye bye.